The Thai government has decided to purchase Gripen E fighter jets from Sweden, with the contract signing expected by the end of 2025. The Thai government has approved the Royal Thai Air Force RTAF's wish to purchase Saab Gripen E fighter jets from Sweden. Thai Defense Minister Phumtham Wechayachai said the signing of the acquisition contract for the aircraft is expected to be signed by the end of 2025. He did not mention the number of Gripen EFs to be purchased, but stressed that the price must be appropriate and not exceed the budget allocated by the government. The second condition is that this purchase must include technology transfer to Thailand. I have instructed the RTAF to carefully select the most effective fighter jets to enhance its capabilities, Phumtham said. On Gripen, we are in discussions with Saab about potential benefits for the Air Force, such as technology transfer. I believe the decision-making process should be completed by 2025, allowing us to add another Gripen squadron to strengthen the RTAF's operational strength, he continued. Currently, the RTAF operates 11 Saab Gripen CD fighter jets and dozens of F-16AB Fighting Falcons and F-5s from the United States. Thailand's defense minister stressed that the Gripen has capabilities comparable to other fighter jets. Testimonials from pilots who have flown both the Gripen and the F-16 indicate that the performance and piloting skills required are similar. The selection process has been carried out by RTAF to obtain the best aircraft in various aspects and in accordance with the criteria required by Thailand. In August 2024, after evaluating all factors, the Thai Defense Committee expressed its preference